All right, today I have a Ford Expedition, and I'm going to show you how to switch between the drive modes in a Ford Expedition. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Different modes like normal, economy mode, sport mode, off-road. We're going to go through that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Ford Expedition. I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. In order to change the drive modes, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go down, look, see this right here? This right here is where the drive modes are, right next to the four-wheel drive and the two-wheel drive settings. What you do is you'll come right here and then you'll turn this knob. And when you turn this knob, you'll see that it changes. And you're like, where is it changing to? Well, I'm gonna show you. So when I turn it this way or turn it backwards, it adjusts. And I'm gonna show you on the instrument panel. So if you go up to the instrument panel, you'll see this right here. Watch this, I'm turning it. Go from normal mode. You see that's normal. And then you can keep on turning it. It goes to tow and haul mode. All right, go one more time. Go to economy mode. That's for efficient driving right here. Go ahead one more time. Go to sport mode. Good for sprint on road driving. Okay, one more time. It goes to slippery, and that is for wet, icy and snowy roads. Do this one more time. It goes to off-road, which is rough, uneven and mixed terrain right here. It says speed limit 40. No, that's a speed limit for driving right out there. So it's right next to that indicator. So you have the off-road, you have the slippery, you have the sport, you have the efficient driving, you have the tow and haul mode for trailering and heavy payload. And then you also have the normal mode, balance for everyday driving. And once you get it to the mode that you want it on, you can just leave it like that and just begin to drive. All right, so those are the different modes: normal, tow haul, economy, sport, slippery, and off-road. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.